What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Justin Page. We are back with another one. As you can tell by the title of this video, you already know what we're getting into. Let's go take a look. We got a new exhaust on the G82 here. Super excited. Shout out to the guys over at Valvetronic Designs because they know what they're doing when they're coming up with craftsmanship for this kind of platform. Now for me, I decided to go with the stainless steel over the grade 5 titanium. Sound quality, honestly, it's hard to be able to tell on YouTube. I mean, every audio is different. There's just so many variables when it comes to sound checking these cars and how it sounds when you're about to invest all this money into it. So I talked with the guys and they said I could just go with the stainless steel one, and they didn't talk me up to the titanium. I was perfectly well with that. So I went with the stainless steel. Now, this is the only thing I've done so far. I have not done a tune. I don't have downpipes. I do plan on getting downpipes. I do plan on getting a tune. I do plan on getting a full intake system. So in this video here, I'm going to be doing all the sound clips I can do as far as there being some point of view shots, some back shots, no diddy, sound checks as far as with the valves open, valves closed, some drive-bys, some point of views inside the car. If you guys are here for this kind of content, definitely drop a like and subscribe. There's going to be plenty of more to come from, but let's get into it.
I do content myself. Okay. Yeah, I do like pictures and videos for people. Okay. Yeah. What's your Instagram? Oh my God!
Find it crazy that a stock tune has burbles, and this exhaust helps that. One thing about this exhaust is that when you do have the valves open, it is 100% open, so you're getting way more sound compared to stock. But those burbles, man, I love it. And it's coming from a guy with a very aggressive Q50 that's extremely loud and obnoxious. So right now we are in M2 right now. Sports sets are all up to the max. Of course, if you turn it off, you don't get any burbles. It's dead quiet. Now this audio is coming exactly from the camera itself. It is no microphones or anything like that, so I'm hoping the built-in audio quality is gonna be good for this. And I hope my voice isn't too loud since the camera's right next to me. Alright. And this thing gets. Oh, let's turn the valves off. Let's see if there's any significant difference. Barely hear any burbles. Valves closed. So there's a pretty big difference with the valves closed and open in the cabin, at least in my opinion. It's more tamed. Burbles aren't loud. Overall exhaust sound isn't loud. But yeah, valves open. You hear that. Big difference there. And again, this is only a catback exhaust, nothing else. right there. Undercover. All right, guys, I'm hoping that the sound clips were actually legit and I did everything right. I was using my 360 camera, I was using my phone, I was using these, I was using all types of different things to try to get the best quality for the sound of what we got here. And I did that with both the valves open and the valves closed. Speaking of that, now this does come with 2 controllers here, and these controllers are pretty big. I'm not gonna lie, they are pretty hefty. It's solid metal. It's got some weight to it. What I did with this, and what you guys can do as well too, in case you don't want to have these because you might lose these, which I haven't lost them yet, but you never know, whatever. If you guys don't want these controllers, you can actually program them to your car. Now, once you install this and get rid of the stock controller, this button will no longer work. I'm sure there's ways to be able to program this to be able to get this button to work, but I didn't get in that much detail with it. Instead, I went ahead and I programmed them to this up here. So right now I have this set to close, and this is set to open. The valves are actually opening and closing, and this is for the garage. And to program that, you hold down 1 and 3 here, you'll hold this down to this blinks, and then once that starts blinking, you hold down one of these buttons here, which is up and down. There are 2 buttons here, I can never remember what's what. You hold down that button, and then you'll hold down whichever button you want to program here. There's other videos on there that actually go in better detail of what I'm saying, because I honestly can't remember what's what and how to do it, but something like that. So that's going to conclude this video. I hope this video comes out as good as in my mind it was going to come out, but if you have any comments about what I did, any feedback, definitely drop down in the comments below. Also, what's your setup? What do you guys have? Which exhaust did you go with? As I went with Valvetronic. Shout out to those boys because I'm impressed. I like it a lot there too. Been going on Beamer Post a lot, just reading through all the forums because I'm new to this platform, and if you guys are new too, well, let's all learn together here. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.